Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. How is everyone today? I'm Sandy, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own Glam mirror tissue box cover using materials from the dollar store. This one will be a square tissue box made from Jenga blocks and comes with a removable lid. If you would like to see some other Glam styles of tissue boxes I have already made, I will leave links in the description to my other tissue box videos. To begin, I will show you the materials, and unless otherwise stated, all the materials are from either Dollar Tree or Dollarama. We will need 2 boxes of tumbling tower blocks, otherwise known as Jenga blocks. The ones I will be using is in a pack of 72 per box. We will also need 4 square mirrors. You can find these at both Dollar Tree and Dollarama, but I ran out of my dollar store mirrors, so ended up using these 4x4 mirrors I had on hand from Amazon. And here is a box of tissue also from the dollar store. Some silver glitter fabrics, some beautiful silver rhinestone ribbon, which I purchased in bulk from Amazon, some clear acrylic gems, and some Christmas ornament S hooks. To help us with today's craft, we will also be using clear tacky glue, some Fix-All, and our handy dandy glue gun. Mine was purchased from Amazon. To begin, we will need to measure out the size of each of our tissue box panels. Based on the box I have, I will be needing 6 panels. 5 of the panels will be made with a total of 24 blocks, 8 blocks placed horizontally on one side and 3 across. For the 6th panel, we will need to make sure to leave a hole in the middle, so a few of the wooden blocks in the center will be removed. I will show you later how it's done. Once you have the blocks laid out for the first 5 panels, start gluing them together. To save time, I have chosen to use hot glue to adhere my block pieces together, but if you have some wood glue on hand, I would recommend using that, as the wood glue is not as thick and won't dry hard like the hot glue does. And while we work on that, I would like to take a moment to thank all the returning viewers to my channel for tuning in for today's craft project. If you're visiting for the first time, I would like to extend a warm welcome to you. And if you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future DIY craft videos. Once you have the first 5 panels built, start gluing them together to form the shape of a cube. Start with the foundation and then build out the walls panel by panel. Once all 4 sides are glued and adhere to the bottom panel, you should only have the opening left. We will make a 6th panel later to place on top of the opening. For the 5 sides of the box, we are going to use some silver glitter fabric and wrap the box with it. And in case you are wondering why I'm using both hot glue and tacky glue, I will explain. I prefer to use hot glue for something that I want to dry and cure quickly and that does not require any extra strong hold. For instance, if it's for something lightweight. And I will typically use clear tacky glue for everything else. It dries quickly, but not as quickly as hot glue, and offers strong hold, but not as strong as Fix-All. In this case, I'm using a line of hot glue to anchor the edge of the fabric to the wood panel and clear tacky glue for the rest. That way I can easily adjust the positioning of the fabric to ensure it is placed correctly and lined up to the top and bottom of the box. Once all 5 sides of the box is wrapped in the silver glitter fabric, proceed to glue down a square mirror to each of the 4 sides of the box. For this, you will notice that I'm using Fix-All instead because it offers a much firmer and longer hold, but still allows me to adjust the positioning of the mirrors before the glue starts to take hold. Then for embellishments, I am adding some clear gems to frame each of the mirrors. I'm also adding a design element by adhering a couple of Christmas ornament S-hooks vertically to the center of each mirror. Later on, I will add a couple more horizontally above each mirror as well. Here I'm adhering a string of silver beaded necklace to square off each side of the box. For the 6th wood panel, we will need to leave a hole in the middle. This will become the lid of the tissue box where the tissue will be accessed from. The top panel will be removable so that you can replace the empty tissue box with a new one. And don't forget to leave a hole in the center of this panel. For the size of my box, I am leaving out 4 wooden blocks from the center. Once the wood pieces are glued together, for the top panel, cut to size a piece of the silver glitter fabric and adhere it to the top panel. Then, using some hot glue, apply the rhinestone ribbon to cover the exposed wood along the edges. Then square off the top panel with a string of silver beaded necklace. And you can continue to embellish the top panel as much as you like with additional gems or, in my case, more S-hooks. Our final step is to make some legs for our tissue box cover. This will give the tissue box some height. Take each of the four small diamond-shaped clear gems and using some hot glue, insert the pointy end into each of the four silver ornament caps. Then adhere each leg onto the bottom of the box using some hot glue, one on each corner. And here's the final look for our Glam mirrored tissue box cover made from Jenga wooden blocks. I have placed my tissue box in my washroom and it looks beautiful by the rest of the washroom decor. Let me know in the comments where you would place your tissue box. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY Glam project. Please also remember to check out my other Glam tissue boxes that I have made. Links are in the description. I hope to see you all soon.